Okay, so we've all been there. You have a beautiful reference photo or a 2D sketch, and you want to build a 3D scene that fits it perfectly. Usually, that involves a lot of trial and error with the camera focal length and position, or using external apps and hopping back and forth. That is exactly why Perspective Plotter is such a lifesaver. It brings the power of dedicated camera matching, similar to what FSpy does, but keeps it right inside Blender. You just define your perspective lines directly in the viewport, and the add-on calculates the camera's focal length, rotation, and location in real time. It's honestly like magic watching the grid align itself to your image. It handles 1, 2, and 3-point perspectives with ease, and it even includes a move-along view tool to help you model meshes directly from those 2D sketches. If you do Archviz or VFX work where you need to match real-world environments, this is easily the best $18 you'll ever spend. It saves hours of frustration.